give a special thanks to Breyer for sending this product to us for free. What's up, y'all? Here is a My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide. Today, we are taking a look at the 2021 Horse of the Year, Hope. At BreyerHorses.com, this horse has a suggested retail price of $24.99. It is 1/12 scale, and you can easily see the whole horse in the packaging. On the back of the box, there is a large heart cutout, allowing us to see the other side of the horse. And at the top, it says, "A world of majestic horses, as free and independent as their spirit." On the side, it says Covenant House, and on the other side, it says Hope, 2021 Horse of the Year. Our inspiration for the 2021 Horse of the Year is Hope. Hope for a brighter future and a better tomorrow is a uniting vision we all share. We are proud to have partnered with an organization that is working to spread the vision of hope throughout our communities. Covenant House provides food, shelter, immediate crisis care, and an array of other in-house programs to support young adults experiencing homelessness and often hopelessness across the U.S., Canada, and Latin America. $1 of each Hope Horse of the Year purchased goes to the Covenant House to care for the youth who represent our future and give them hope to keep moving forward. Let's get this horse out of the box for a closer look. Out of the box, this horse stands about 6 inches to the top of the ear and is a little over 9 inches long and is compatible with all 1/12 scale Freedom products. This horse is black with a gold ombre on the mane and at the bottom of the tail. It has a red heart on its face, the word hope in a rainbow ombre on one side with a bird at one end, and on the other side, we have more rainbow markings with another bird. The legs are orange, green, blue, and purple with gold-colored painted hooves. You can see a little white in the eyes. Overall, in my opinion, this is a beautiful work of art that I am really excited to add to my model horse collection. But hey, what about me? That's right, Mini Toya might want one as well because, you know, we got a match. So I'm looking through my mini Whinnies. I bought a whole bunch at Breyer Fest one year. I got a great deal. Ooh, that's a cute one. They were like $1 each, and I just never got around to opening them. So today seems like a good day. I'm looking at the collector's guide, and the horse we just opened was India. Ooh, but I really like the shape of Nugget, Kira, and Layla. So now we are in search of one of those models so we can customize one. That's not it. This is Raven, and here we have, I think this is Callie, which is totally not the horse that we're looking for. So let's just keep searching. And this one is, ooh, it's Kira, who happens to be a double in my collection. Yes! I feel like we just stumbled across an alternate universe where I am excited about doubles. But what do you say we go ahead and finish opening the rest of these, even though we already found the perfect horse? This is Jinx, Outlaw, and who do we have here? It's Emmy. We have 7 to go. If we get more doubles, I totally would not be upset. That's not a double. That is Madison, which is actually a really nice model. And this one is, ooh, Layla. We're gonna go through this quickly because, you know, I could open Breyer packages like all day, for real. Here is another Jinx. So we have another set of doubles. And this is another double. 2 Emmys. Then we have, I can't believe I'm getting excited about doubles. Ooh, this is Fergie. Only 3 to go. think I've been holding on to these bags for like 2 years, maybe? We have 2 Callies now. We have 2 left. I love opening surprise bags. And now we have double Laylas. So we have lots of options for our custom Mini Whinnie. Our very last surprise Mini Whinnie is Outlaw. Again, we got a lot of doubles, which is perfect because we are customizing today. I am using the Kira Mini Whinnie from this collection. We will also need paint brushes, a paint palette for mixing colors, water for cleaning the brushes, and a washable surface. This horse is already a dark charcoal color, but we need it to be black. So I'm just going to paint it with a thin layer of black paint. Once dried, I carefully paint the word hope, that's an H, onto the side. This seemed so much easier in my head. Then let's start the O with the same color, but without cleaning my brush. Let's go ahead and add a little green to finish that letter. Then use green and yellow for the next letter. Make most of the E yellow. Then let's make a little triangle in the yellow because we're trying to paint a little tiny bird. And it's just going to go up. And then we have some wings here. And a face. We'll go in and define that better. And I added a little touch of orange to the bird. Let's add this little star. Looks like a little starburst over here. Using a darker blue. Probably can't even see it on camera. I added a little bit of the lighter blue, and now you can see it. Let's paint the lower part of the first leg orange, green on the other front leg, blue on one of the back legs, and purple on the other one. Add a little red heart on the head. Put a heart in the center of the O. Let's add a little touch of white to the eyes. Paint markings on the other side, including a bird. Then add gold paint to the hooves, mane, and tail. To complete our custom Mini Whinnie, inspired by Hope 2021 Horse of the Year. I am going to display my horse in my studio and the miniature one in the dollhouse. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at the Breyer Horse of the Year that can be found at BreyerHorses.com. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time. Happy collecting! Bye!